Hey, my people, I want you to listen to the background. And in the background, you can hear all sorts of things: cars, trucks, birds. Everything in life has a rhythm. Find the rhythm that you best move and flow with, and check and see. Maybe it is you're out of rhythm. And out of rhythm is a rhythm too. But you want to flow in a well harmonized rhythm. When this earth was first designed, it had a rhythm that was so well designed, and then once the fall of man came, now things are out of rhythm. Some of you are worried about President-elect and the people that he is selecting. One thing about this, he is our new president as these United States of America. And for you in the other countries, this is something good for you to think about too. Who's ever in office, they need to be prayed for. Their family's in danger, they're in danger. It doesn't matter who it is. So let's pray for our president-elect. No, I don't know anything about him. I don't know anything that he can do in the future. The only thing that I know that what we can do, we can put the power of prayer on it before it ever gets here, and we can see the results that we want instead of speaking at the results that we see. Beloved, I wish above all things you prosper and be in good health, even as your soul prosper. What are you working on? Let God work on you and stop working so much.